Hello and welcome back, and if this is your first time here, my name is Noemi, and for today's video I'm going to have a very cozy fall video with so many ideas, food, and just what we like to do on the fall. If you enjoy this video, please share it with others. That helps my channel.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God,
This is truly one of our favorite spots to go, and we're looking forward to it every single fall. This is a tradition, just picking chestnut. Oh, this one is huge. Still warm from the sunshine. Wow, this is huge. It can poke our hand very badly, but still it's very addictive to pick them. It's hard to stop because they are so beautiful. The ones that we picked last year, it lasted 11 months the way we preserved them. So if you wanna see how we did it, I will have this video down below in the description box where you can see it, how we did it. But it's just a method that worked so well for us.
Okay,
so this is the biggest one. Wow, it burst.
Ripped his jacket. And it's
Wow.
protruding out. Look at that.
Oh
my
God.
goodness.
This is gonna die.
Should we bake it now?
Nah, we could. Yeah,
You don't have to
Yeah.
cut it up.
yeah, let's do that.
Okay, I think that's gonna be enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up a few monster size ones and that's
Few more, okay. So I just can't stop picking. The line to get into Ikea, how long was it?
I don't know, around the building. I didn't even
It was around the building.
Yeah, I didn't even see the end of it.
No way. Not even to Ikea. I'm not going to stand in that line. Nope, we are going home. Fall is here, so we have shorter days and we like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I mean, generally this is where we gather most of the time because we like food, but food becomes more of the focus during the winter months. We just take our time to make extra sweets and just baking things. So this night everybody is just doing their thing. I am going to prepare some yummy drink. It's just almond milk and maple syrup, vanilla flavor, a little bit of a pumpkin puree. I will put down below in the description box what I put in there, but this is the kind of stuff that we like to either drink or something to eat, and we also like to do a bunch of board games. Using candles and little lights, it definitely changed the atmosphere. It just feels more cozy and warmer inside. Some days we like to watch something either on Netflix or on YouTube, but some nights we just like to play some board games. It's definitely a great time to connect with the kids and just have fun with them. No matter where I have to go, I always find either time or opportunity to collect something from the nature. So this is, well, in Hungary we say it's a chestnut, but over here I think it's called a clunkers, and I think it has another name too, but basically it's a wild version of the chestnut. So we did a bunch of craft as a kid. As I grew up and with my boys, I passed this on to them, so I think they're gonna love this little surprise, and I'm just going to use this as a decoration, which I will do when I get home. I'm here at my acupuncture therapy or session, I don't know how should I call it. So I tried a week ago and it had an amazing effect on me. I think it truly really works. The only downside that I experienced, it was a huge healing crisis. So if you don't know that, just look it up, Google it. But basically your body is overwhelmed with the detoxing, and that's what happened. So I'm excited for the today appointment, but also like what's coming. But on the long term it will pay off, I know. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now. This lunch was super easy to make. I just used some peppers and tomatoes, garlic, onion, and I just fried them a little bit. Okay, this is the three-headed Harry I'm going to take on this project. As my kids are getting older, they wanna do less and less craft, but as long as they willing to do and having fun with that, I'm looking forward to those crafts. And a look on my face that you just saw, I thought my kids just disappeared and I was left alone with this project. But they came back, they just bought some markers. So we've been addicted to paper toys. I've shared them in the past in my previous videos, and I will put in the description box those videos as well. But there are many websites. This is from a book that I ordered from Amazon, and this was actually the second time I ordered that, because I think this is the last time they still want to do that, but it's so much fun. And this is for Halloween. It's not too spooky, it's cute, but it's kind of quirky, so we will like it. This year we only had one pumpkin, so I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to let it sit on the ground for 1 week because it needs to be cured before I bring it inside. If you saw my fall decorate video, I had some berries and leaves up there, so now I'm going to change them. One, it's already dry and I really like to play around with that. I stocked up on some butternut squash and we love to eat this on the fall and throughout the winter. They have a very good long shelf life and I really love the color that they have, and I just use this little artificial leaves as just to add an extra life to it. I would say it just looks more alive that way, and I'm just going to put this above the fireplace, so that's a good way to store it because I don't have any other place to put it in the kitchen, but also it gives some fall feeling to the living room. I also have this cute mushroom lights and it will show more at night, but I love how it glows in the dark. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share it with friends or relatives, or you can share it on another platform. It helps my channel so much, and it was great to have you here, and see you soon in the next video. Bye!